Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Today's video is there too much competition when it comes to dropshipping? So let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So today's video is there too much competition with dropshipping? And what you'll find is when you start dropshipping, and there's many pros and cons to dropshipping, but if the product that you're selling is a really good product, right, there's a good chance you have a ton of competition. And I'm talking like a lot of competition. So what I'm saying is, with dropshipping, if your product is good and starts selling like crazy and it's a hot product, you're going to have a lot of people trying to sell the same thing. So the disadvantages to that is you've got to spend a lot more money advertising, so you stand out more than your competitors, or you got to drop your price down a little bit more to get the sale and to make the money. So what I'm saying is the pros of dropshipping is it's easy to start, right? And it's easy. It's a low barrier business to get started and off the ground fast. But if the product is good and starts selling like crazy, then you're going to have a lot more people trying to sell the same thing. So there's disadvantages to that, but there's a right way in dropshipping. In fact, every dropshipping business I've ever started, I've never done it the typical normal way that most people start their dropshipping business. I do it in a very unique way, and I'm not going to share it on this video, guys. I share it actually in some of my books and some of my courses, but you don't want to be competing with the masses. And what you'll find is with Amazon and eBay and everyone starting their own Shopify business these days, you'll find there's a lot more people trying to start their own business and dropshipping, and because of that, you're getting a lot more competitors than you need to. So guys, set it up correctly, find a really good product with dropshipping, find a really good supplier, and do that. If you want to find a unique way of starting a dropshipping business, a very unique way, then definitely check out my website. The website link is in there. Also check out my courses. I've got some pretty darn cheap courses showing you how to set up a dropshipping business, how to set up an Amazon business, how to set up an eBay business, and a lot more. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll talk to you real soon. If you have any questions, please drop me a line. Please share this video. If you know somebody that wants to get started in a dropshipping business, please share and comment on this video. I would be very thankful that you did. And check out my website as well. See you later, guys. Have an awesome day and happy dropshipping. See you later.